do you see the use of creative smart contracts playing out in the tokenization of real estate?
What do you mean by creative smart contracts? Just
So, I mean, you can put anything you want in these smart contracts, which can include, say, you own a very unique piece of historic property in your town. It's been a rental property forever. I mean, you're retiring, kind of like downsizing, and you just have to sell it. But you can actually put that in the smart contract that maybe you get a 0.5% of the transaction every single time it's sold in perpetuity. Then that could go into a trust and provide for your family.
Mhm.
What have you seen, or what are you seeing? And it doesn't even have to be for real estate, because I mean, there's a lot of comparisons just in just the normal business world. But yeah, what are you seeing?
I got it. So basically, smart contracts are gonna allow people to structure deals that weren't possible today. And I mean that what you said is a pretty good example. Right now, it's happening in the NFT world where sponsors or the initial owners or creators are able to benefit in long term from the sale of the asset, the appreciation, and so on. So that could be incorporated in the smart contract, and easily they can, the initial creators or the owners that are putting the initial deal together could be really creative and create something that is unique on the market. I think that's the future. I think that smart contracts could be designed in a very unique ways that are going to allow people to benefit much more than that. We're going to see also, um, in my opinion, other yield farming solutions or staking solutions for where people are buying tokenized real estate and they're able to stake it to increase the amount of return they're getting, in a sense. And we're gonna see plenty of those down the road. I'm pretty sure that we're gonna be surprised by very smart people jumping into that space and creating new models. Currently, I'm seeing huge development in that area, and I'm seeing a lot of people trying to figure out um, how to bridge DeFi space and the DeFi space and the traditional finance. So I think
Yeah,
that
it's a fast moving industry and market. I mean, AOL was king before Yahoo was king, and like then this Google company came along. So you just never know. Like for all we know, 15 years from now, like people will be just, thinking of Bitcoin like AOL. We don't know that. They definitely have a really good reputation today.